Okay, yes. We're going to show you how we harvest potatoes. Not that we're good at it, but I already got some. That is 2 plants worth. I was expecting more, but okay. First try at growing potatoes. Barb's moving the mulch out of the way and pulling the fabric back. Then she's going to start reaching around in there. If you never saw, that's how potatoes grow.
Ew, there's a bunch of earthworms.
This one has a bunch of them. Wow. Use a shovel. Barb's like an excavator. Seems like they grow mostly on the top. Oh, there's another one. Wow. Dig around the shovel a little bit, see if there's more. While she's doing that, you can see, see or not, but everything is growing good. We're getting red tomatoes on it. The early girl seems to be the only one that's got red tomatoes so far. And I think there was one. Oh yeah. This is a purple heirloom. Doesn't look purple yet though. These are cucumbers that grew while we were away. Of course they're much too big to do anything with. Look at this. That's a cucumber. Did you find any more?
Mm-mm.
Alright, let's do one more. So this is not a very big harvest so far for, what is that, 2 plants? Yeah, 2 plants. I think my neighbor's got his grill started. That's Steve, and today his birthday. That's where Steve and Andrea live. See how many's going to be in here. One, 2, 3. What is that, 4?
Mm-hmm.
And these are blue potatoes. They look purple on the outside, but they're blue on the inside. Well, blue and white. And they are very good. That's probably it. So
Got 7.
that's how it goes with the potatoes, gang. Nothing else really I can show you. That's my sorrel. And that's Swiss chard. This stuff is very, very, very good for you. You can tell just by looking at it, it's good, right? Alright, well, that's for today. See you later.